Hey guys, today I want to talk about the text in CSS. So today I will create a text with 3D dimension. So need to open the Sublime text editor and need to create two files with an HTML file and a CSS file and save to the desktop, for example. Okay, so the file is here. So these two files. So this will be a text, and the body will create a paragraph with hello text. Okay, and if you open it is here, and you need to include this CSS file, so the style CSS, yeah, and how to create this this hello text with for example with two dimension. So here you should write this text shadow with two dimension. Here need to write, for example, with 2 pixel and 3 pixel, yeah. And if you open, it is a two dimension, but if write with this string, yeah, and I want the color with red. Yeah, but if you write here with 5 pixel, it is a 3 dimension. It is beautiful, yeah. Yeah. For example, how to create a box. So the div is a box, and it will be a text, and if you write this, so I want a box shadow with 5 pixel and 5 pixel, and if you, so it is nothing, but if you write here I want the width with this dimension, and I want to, yeah, with the same, I want padding with this pixel, yeah. If you reopen, it is here, but if you change this color, this background color here, background color, for example, to blue, and here. Here is the box with this dimension, and it has a color and it has a shadow box. So thank you for watching.